Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com. It's that day of the week again, it's Dyno Day. And today we're gonna be dynoing our 2015 Mustang GT shop car, is what we like to call it. So a little timeline on the car. We bought it brand new whenever the S550s first came out. October 2014 timeframe, and to our knowledge, this is one of the first cars purchased in the country. It's triple yellow in color. It has the 50th anniversary package as well as the performance package. At the time of this video, parts have gone on, parts have come off. Like I said, we use it for marketing. That's what we do. You know, we market parts. Y'all obviously may remember the car from when we first got it, and then when we had the Hellion twin turbo kit on it. Don't get me wrong, that was a completely awesome setup, but for what we used the car for, really didn't fit our needs. So we got what we needed out of that kit, took it off, and went back naturally aspirated. Well, about a year after that, give or take, Ford Performance had just released their power packs for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang GTs, and there were 3 versions available: Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3. We put together a really nice video series on those 3 power packs featuring this car, so if you're interested, go check those out. And when we were finished with all those, we obviously left the Stage 3 power pack on the car because why not, right? So the Stage 3 power pack, you get a GT350 intake manifold, GT350 cold air intake, and an 87mm GT350 throttle body with the Ford Performance calibration. Again, that's what's on the car. It has a GT350 style catback exhaust, and everything else relative to the dyno, it's all stock. Stock exhaust manifolds, stock mid-pipe with catalytic converters, stock MT82, so our pulls will be made in 5th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, stock 2-piece drive shaft, still has a 373 rear gears, which came standard in the performance pack cars, and that is a 19-inch SVE R350 with a 305/35/19 tire out back. We obviously run 93 octane fuel in the tank, and other than that, I think it's go time. So we'll make a quick trip around the car, make sure we are good to go, and we'll make a hit. All right, folks, so let's go ahead and take a look at some numbers. But real quick, I wanted to take you back in time to when we first installed the Stage 3 power pack on the car. It made 432 horsepower and 380 pound-feet. Well, fast forward 5 years later, still the same dyno, a little bit different conditions. We originally dynoed the car in January of 2017, so a little bit cooler outside. We do use SAE numbers, so that calculation does stay the same, but it's hot as hell in our shop. It's about 90 degrees, humidity's high, but anyways, the car is still making 432 horsepower at 7,100 RPM. We have seen a little bit of torque loss, 367 pound-feet at 5,100 RPM. But that torque loss, that could be a multitude of things, but needless to say, you know, the car is still making around the same horsepower and around the same amount of torque as it did 5 years ago. So that's pretty cool. I love this car. I've spent a lot of time with it, putting parts on, taking parts off. I've road raced it several times at Hallett, once at Texas World Speedway when it was still around, Motorsport Ranch Crescent, and of course Circuit of the Americas. And that's the predominant use of the car, is road racing, because that's what I like to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as we always showing you the dyno stuff. And until we catch you in the next one, this is all we have for you today. So for all things 79 to present Mustang and 1st and 2nd gen Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.